My name's Howie Taylor. This is the unboxing of the HeroCover. I ordered it from their website. I got the waterproof version for outdoors. Came within a month, less than a month. It came in this very well packaged and plastic wrap box. It took me a minute to get into it. Once I got into it, I found another bag. Very soft bag inside here. I noticed it was printed upside down on one side. This is my 2024 Mustang. I named him Lucifer. I love this color, but here, let's put the cover on it and see what it looks like. Look at that. They even printed the front end grille lights, the wheels and calipers. They even got the license plate, the exhaust, the reflectors and everything on the car itself. I thought it turned out pretty cool. My only issue was this part right here where the antenna is. I have the short antenna that was there. I removed it before I put the cover on, thank goodness, because it looks like it's off by about 3 inches. This is where it should be. This is where they want it to be. So it's off about 3 inches here. As I look, I noticed that the handles are pretty close, but these mirror pockets are a problem. They seem to be to the back of the car, maybe about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Imagine if they moved everything forward about 2 to 3 inches. This would probably set a little cleaner. It's not too bad. I think it's a little worse on this other side. I love that photorealistic print on here, though. Got the hood scoop. They even got the fender badges here. That's a custom fender badge that they actually printed on the cover as well. Let's go look at this other mirror pocket. It's still kind of weird too. Again, it's off by about 2 to 3 inches. It's sitting too far forward. It needs to come back just a little bit. It's not the worst thing in the world, but I think it could be better. Again, they got the custom badging on it. Doesn't look too bad. As you can see, there's some stretches in it here because of that pocket there. I noticed they got their logo in there under the car, which is kind of cool. That's not in your face. But from a distance, you wouldn't know this thing had a cover on it. Even duplicated the exhaust and the lighting and even the license plate. But my only real issue is this piece right here. Considering I have the correct antenna, this is disappointing that it doesn't fit where it's supposed to. I even have the right size antenna. It's just off, 2-3 inches there. So I will not be able to use that. Photorealistic on the lights themselves, although I probably would have had them smoked if I had thought about it. But overall, it's pretty good. This material is like a nylon. It's plasticky on the outside. It's not real thick, so that means it's not super heavy. It's got the stretchies on the bottom sides there to help fill it in. But I feel like it's that same material that I use or have on my flags here. So yeah, I believe it's a nylon material. The bottom is kind of a rubbery nylon on the bottom, but these double stitchings on here make it super smooth, so it's not going to scratch the car. I'm in the process now trying to figure out how to refold this back up. After taking it off, my only downside was these pieces of material that were left behind from the loose threads being a new cover. The reviews on the HeroCovers is about a 4.5, and I'll have to agree with that. There's only a couple of small issues with it. The price is probably just a couple of bucks more than you would expect to spend on, say, a Shelby branded car cover, and the quality is just as good, in my opinion.